The Russian defense industry has reached a pivotal moment. The advanced Sarma MLRS has left the drawing board and entered serial production. Years of testing, refinement, and battlefield simulations are over. Soon, these launchers will be in the hands of frontline units, ready to redefine artillery warfare. Sarma MLRS is not just another rocket launcher. It is a system built for speed, mobility, and relentless pressure. Units can unleash devastating salvos and vanish before the enemy even knows what hit them. In modern warfare, the combination of firepower and surprise is often lethal. The idea behind Sarma MLRS traces back to the early 2000s, a period when Russia began rethinking its rocket artillery doctrine. The goal was simple but ambitious: preserve heavy firepower while dramatically improving mobility, logistics, and operational survivability. Motovelika Plants, based in Perm, took the lead. Known for armored vehicles and advanced rocket systems, they fused decades of Soviet-era experience with cutting-edge modern technology. The 2007-9 K-58-4 prototype introduced sealed transport and launch containers, an innovation that would become the backbone of Sarma MLRS. Each container holds 6 300mm rockets, streamlining reloads and protecting ammunition from environmental hazards. These small but critical improvements transform the way rockets are transported, stored, and launched on the battlefield. Modern fire control systems and digital targeting networks elevate Sarma MLRS further. Multiple launchers can now synchronize strikes, deliver salvo after salvo with high tempo, and adapt in real time to changing battlefield conditions. Mobility defines Sarma MLRS's tactical advantage. Mounted on a modern tactical chassis, these launchers can fire, relocate, and redeploy in minutes. Counter-battery fire becomes a dangerous gamble for any adversary attempting to strike them. The destructive potential is undeniable. Each 300mm rocket carries enough explosive power to devastate fortified positions, troop concentrations, and logistical hubs. When combined with Sarma MLRS's speed, it creates an almost unstoppable rhythm of attack. Mass production is no coincidence. Russia is producing these systems in numbers sufficient to outfit multiple brigades, maintain operational reserves, and replace any losses in extended combat. Artillery dominance is not temporary. It's designed to be sustainable. Ukraine is watching closely. The introduction of mobile, rapid-fire MLRS changes the rules of engagement. Defensive positions, supply lines, and command centers are now at increased risk. Countermeasures must be faster, smarter, and more dispersed than ever before. NATO analysts also take notice. While not revolutionary in concept, Sarma MLRS represents a dangerous evolution. The combination of mobility, coordinated fire, and heavy payloads creates operational pressure points that cannot be ignored. Speed and precision make Sarma MLRS deadly. Its crews can execute rapid strikes, relocate, and repeat, minimizing the time they spend exposed while maximizing the punishment delivered to enemy forces. Sealed munitions containers further amplify efficiency. They allow entire batteries to reload quickly, sustaining continuous pressure on frontline and rear area targets alike. The clock is always ticking for opponents once Sarma MLRS is in range. Its mobility and firepower create a psychological edge as well. The mere presence of Sarma MLRS batteries forces adversaries to rethink troop deployments, increase defensive measures, and divert resources to counter a threat that can strike anywhere, anytime. The integration of reconnaissance and electronic warfare adds another layer of lethality. Forward observers, drones, and sensors feed real-time targeting data, turning each salvo into a precise, coordinated strike that can overwhelm defenses. Even terrain and road networks, which traditionally limit MLRS operations, are mitigated by Sarma MLRS's modern chassis and modular containers. This allows deployment in diverse operational environments, from open plains to rugged forested regions. Mass production ensures resilience. Losses in combat do not cripple operations. Batteries can be replaced quickly, maintaining sustained firepower and operational tempo, a principle inherited from Soviet artillery doctrine but refined for modern warfare. Sarma MLRS is not without vulnerabilities. Predictable supply patterns and maintenance requirements can be exploited by a smart adversary. Yet, its combination of mobility, speed, and lethal salvo capability makes these risks manageable, not crippling. For Russian commanders, Sarma MLRS offers unprecedented flexibility. They can strike multiple targets in rapid succession, support offensive operations, or dominate defensive zones, all while keeping their launchers largely out of harm's way. Observers note that Sarma MLRS represents a broader trend in Russian military thinking: evolution over revolution. Heavy artillery is being adapted for modern warfare, with digital targeting, mobility, and logistical efficiency transforming what was once a static, slow-moving system into a fast, lethal, and adaptable weapon. Ultimately, Sarma MLRS's battlefield impact will be measured in more than just rockets fired. It will depend on crew training, logistics, integration with other forces, and the ability of adversaries to respond. One thing is certain: the era of slow, predictable artillery is fading, and Sarma MLRS is leading the charge into a faster, deadlier age of rocket warfare. Sarma MLRS's deployment will also force opposing forces to reconsider their operational tempo. Units that once moved freely may now have to plan around potential strikes from these rapid, mobile rocket batteries. Every step forward could be under threat from a weapon that appears, fires, and disappears before detection. The psychological impact on frontline troops cannot be overstated. Knowing that Sarma MLRS can deliver heavy, precision-guided rocket fire with little warning increases stress and reduces the time commanders have to react. It doesn't just damage physical targets, it forces enemies to rethink their entire defensive posture.